This 2022 Winnebago Revel 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features Intrepid, Pewter interior, sleeps 2, water heater, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, awning, external shower, skylight, LP detector, smoke detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Winnebago Revel 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.